Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the blue exterior paintwork, which really does stand out and looks superb, especially in the sunlight. We have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also front splitter. We also have the M Performance style kit, which includes the front splitter, side skirts as well along the bottom as we come around to the passenger side. You'll also find colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well at the rear. Shark fin antennae up top along with the eDrive badging on the sides. We have the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Dual exhaust with the rear diffuser, and let's look at that rear end. Now we just take a look inside the boot, so just open it up like so. You find we have plenty of space inside of here, it does go quite far back. We also have the charger with a storage pocket on the left. Coming back out, we also have a handle just underneath there so we can pull it back down. Coming back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior then. Inside of the back first, you find the full black leather seats. You've got the blue stitching, foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Both of the outer seats are also heated, which is controlled down here along with the vents for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors, brush metal door handles and also the ambient lighting. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather seats with both, again, both the front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at the driver's side and then also the passenger seat as well, just there. They're also electrically adjustable. We do have the electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will turn on. We do have the cruise control and speed limiter buttons here on the left. Of course, we've got the paddle shifters either side. And you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If this screen or any of the lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the buttons down here. If you click onto media, you'll find the radio stations. We have the other media options on the left. We then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. Further down, you'll also find the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We have the climate control with the heated seats buttons either side, and of course the ice-cold air conditioning. We can just turn them heated seats off. We also have the automatic gearbox to different drive modes, so if you press this button you find Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. It also changes the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see as we flick through them. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the parking sensors will appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing P. You then have some storage underneath here with the cup holders, USB port and a 12-volt connectivity, electric handbrake, auto hold button and also a armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.